Hello friends, welcome to Basic Electrical YouTube channel. So in this video, I am explaining solutions for this MCQs, 10 MCQs question. So it is set number 5. Okay, already 4 set is explained. Please watch it previous videos. See, this is related to Basic Electrical Engineering lab. Some colleges they can ask viva questions in form of MCQs. They can give the sheet, they can fill some details here and they can submit it. Okay friends, we can see these questions. Two resistors connected in series will divide the current, voltage, both 1 and 2, none of this. So correct option is voltage. See, you must remember concept of series circuit. In series circuit, current is same and voltages will be different. We can add all the voltage drops in a circuit. Voltage across each and every element, if I add it, that should be equal to applied voltage. So for that given question, voltage is a correct answer. Next, if current drawn by the circuit is leading the voltage by an angle pi. See, whatever the current flowing in a circuit, that current leads the voltage by an angle pi. Then the circuit elements are RC circuit, RL circuit, or only resistive circuit. None of this. See guys, the correct option is RC circuit. Let me take R and C. So this is voltage across resistor, voltage across capacitor. So series circuit current is flowing. So now when a current series circuit, if I take current as a reference, okay, voltage drop across resistor in phase with the current. Next, voltage drop across capacitor lags the current by 90 degree. By vector addition of VR and VC, okay, you will get a resultant voltage V. The angle between this voltage and current is called pi. Next, see, with respect to this voltage, current is leading the voltage by how many degrees? Pi degrees. So what type of circuit? RC circuit is correct. Okay, the current drawn by the circuit leading the voltage by an angle pi. Then the circuit elements are R and C. Next, in a three-phase delta connected system, the line voltage is equal to, see in delta, line voltages are same, current is different. Okay, in delta connected system, line voltage is equal to phase voltage. Got it? First option is correct. Okay, transformer is the most efficient apparatus among the electric equipments. Okay, most efficient apparatus. Because of what? Low core loss. Winding is made up of copper, core is made up of silicon steel, absence of rotational losses. Yes, last option is correct. See, transformer is a static device. There is no rotational part in transformer. If that is the case, then mechanical losses will be present. If losses are less, definitely the efficiency of the machine will be more. That's why transformer is more efficient apparatus among all other electrical equipments. Why? Because of rotational losses. There is no absence of rotational losses because it is a static device. Next, fuse is the dash link in an electrical circuit. Fuse is the weakest link or strongest link. Okay, either 1 and 2, none of the above. Okay. See, coming to link, the link should be, see, this type of questions is confusing in how to answer, in what manner, because weakest, strongest, this question is a little bit disturbing. So let me take weakest. Okay, if the fuse is very stronger, if it is unable to melt it down, fuse element should be melted out. If any, see, this is the fuse wire. Okay, let me write like this. Okay, fuse wire. If the fuse element is very strong, okay, if any fault occurs, if any fault occurs in the load side, okay, fault is occurred, excess current flows. If it is strongest means excess current cannot going to melt the element. So by that sense, weakest is the correct option. Suppose if the fuse element is weak, okay, fuse element is weak, for a small current can flow, that small current can melt the element, so that circuit will get breakdown. See, during load is carrying normal current, if the fuse element is weakest, so for this rated current itself, the element can melt it. So I don't know either weakest or strongest. Okay, in what sense? If it is strong means, so for excess current flows also, even though the fuse should get melted out. If the load is carrying beyond its limits, carrying current beyond its limit, fuse has to be tripped down, okay, melted down. But if it is very strong means, so it cannot melt now. So that is also a problem. So I will keep it this question to yourself only, question mark. Okay, in the different sense, strongest also correct. Okay. See, if it is weak means, even though if it is load is carrying limited current within the limits, if the fuse is weak means that current can melt this fuse element. So please decide either weakest or strongest. I left this question to yourself. Okay, just summary. Okay, just read it. Okay, find the difference, Google difference, dictionary difference between strongest and weakest. Okay, definitely not 1 and 2. Okay, either weakest or strongest. Please found exact meaning, what is weakest, what is strongest. Okay, I given solution for so many questions. You try only for this, because I am not good in English grammar. So please find out. Next, the direction of EMF generated in a DC generator is obtained by. See, in EMF generator, direction is found from Fleming's right hand rule. Okay, the back EMF in a DC motor regulates the armature current, regulates the input power, both 1 and 2, none of this. So first one is correct, regulates the armature current. Okay, so back EMF will have output power, okay, not input power. It won't regulate the input power, it regulates the armature current, that's it. Okay, the EMF equation of an alternator with usual notations is. So EMF equation of an alternator, two formulas we have. Phase voltage is equal to 4.44 F pi TPH KC KD. Turns per phase, pitch factor, short pitch factor, and distribution factor, like that. So that option is here. So you can select this one. Okay, this is recommended. 2.22 F pi TPH. No. Whenever turns is there, the numerical value should be 4.44. Whenever it is conductor, then the numerical value should be 2.22. So now this third option, 2.22 F pi Z Kp Kd. This is also correct. But they given in the fourth option both second and third. This is fourth option itself wrong. See, third one is correct. 100% third one is correct. 2.22 F pi Z Kp Kd. Okay. Otherwise 4.44 F pi TPH Kp Kd. So you can make correction in fourth option, both 1 and 3. Both 1 and 3 is correct. Okay, if that is the case. Okay, don't think that all the questions will have correct options given by your college professor. So you should give a clarity. Okay. So if it is a conductor, numerical value should be 2.22. If it is a turn, to 4.44. So as per this concept, first option, third option is matching. So the fourth option should be both 1 and 3. Next, the speed of rotating magnetic field developed by the stator winding in an induction motor is given by. So it is a repeated question again, 120 F by P. Okay. Speed of rotating magnetic field is called synchronous speed. That is 120 F divided by poles. Next, the most ideal tariff for the consumer is which tariff? 2-part tariff, 3-part tariff, 1 and 2, none of this. See guys, only 2-part tariff. Okay, see in 2-part tariff, we have only two costs, maximum demand cost and unit consumed cost. But in three-part tariff, we have fixed charges for maximum demand plus semi-fixed charge. Okay, one fixed charge is for maximum demand and another semi-fixed charge. Later they are going to give charge for unit consumed. Okay, unit consumed. So which one is most suitable for consumer? Okay, they have to pay less bill now. So only two cost is there, maximum demand and unit consumed. Okay, this is the most ideal tariff. Okay, three-part tariff is not accepted by the consumers, domestic consumers like us, what we are staying in home now. So we don't like to pay fixed cost. What is this semi-fixed cost? Already we are paying fixed cost for maximum demand. Why we need to pay semi-fixed cost? Okay, ideal tariff is two-part only. Okay, got it. So thanks for watching the video. So in the next video, I am going to provide solution for set 6. Totally I have received only 6 set. So I am going to provide solution for that. So please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Okay. Okay guys, have a nice day.